Sean, I want you to be honest with me. With what that? I've been hearing stories from the boys. Are you okay? What? Who told you? Your friend Isaac. He told me you guys did it. So the dad is lying in. Why, you think I'm gay? I don't know, that's why I'm asking you. I'm not. Son, listen. I was gay before, you know? There's no need for you to be embarrassed of your feelings. You can, whatever you share with me, I will never criticize you or ever disown you. So be honest. Are you gay? I was gonna tell you later. Tell me what? I did it with Isaac. Sorry, you did it with Isaac? Yeah. Where's your suitcase? Grab your suitcase.